sends proof of life Yangwana and demands that he wants Minky in exchange for Laruna. Tlhoge goes to see Minky in prison and demands answers. Vuvu makes it clear that if anything happens to Laruna, he'll never forgive them. Xhosa and Dintle are forever fighting now. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Vuvu is furious because why is her child suffering and not the twins Tsamdala Ditlhogi? They don't even know what to say, saying that Mutako urunyaka 10 million and we'll find the money. Vuvu is like, where are you gonna get the money? Because now I don't have money lying around. I've invested in businesses. Lily, now you just did your apartments. Now where do you get this money lying around? Now I'm phoning the police. I'm Dala's like, I also find I'm a police. So if you involve the police, something bad might happen to Laruna. So please just give me time. I'll get the money. I'll get Laruna. I'll save Laruna. I'll fix this. Tlhoge tries to convince Vuvu, hey, please listen to Tukulo. I think he's right. Vuvu is furious, saying, what's again, damn you too. And when Tlhoge, please don't you dare. Don't even try to soften me up. Because he's trying to soften her up, going on about no, just let me worry about my child. And you know what? If anything happens to Laruna, I will never forgive wena le mudala. And then Tlhoge goes to see Minky in prison, demanding answers. Do you know what your boyfriend has done? And our housemate, Wachomerina, not our child. Have you spoken to him? Mugela, nope, I haven't spoken to Bruno. Do you know where he is? I don't know where he is. Some contact and nothing. He has left me here to rot here. But one thing I can promise you is that Bruno will never have the baby. And then, so this girl seems to not know where Bruno is. Bruno has not made contact. So, Bruno is a wanted man. And he's not coming for you. He's done with you. Otherwise, all I ever wanted was to get money from my husband because I knew I would get nothing from divorce. And then Dala cornered, he goes and asks for help from Tapelo. Despite everything that they went through, Dala putting Tapelo through a lot, he goes and asks for money. Taps is like, why should I help you? And they want 10 million, so I need 5. And then Tapelo was made it clear, I'm doing this for Vuvuli Laruna, not you. When I want nothing to do with you guys. And then Captain Coin phones Dala, asking if Bruno has made contact yet. I don't know. He lies to Captain Coin, saying he hasn't heard anything yet. Taps goes to speak to the CFO to ask him to release the 5 million. CFO likes to play by the book. He's like, we need the board of directors to sign it off. Taps is like, hey, we're like imagines. One of them kidnapping Vuvu. Now, because Akiri has got an interest go Vuvu, says Wana Vuvu, but police saying, are you just going to hand over this such a lot of money to this guy? And then now they're sitting, waiting to hear on this Bruno guy. He makes the phone call and demands to know where is this money. But we want proof to know we want proof of Laruna, she's still alive, she's still okay. He then sends a picture. Vuvu sees the picture and feels a bit relieved sharp. And then, but okay, let's plan, let's arrange where we're meeting. And I'm changing this whole thing. Now I want Minky in exchange for Laruna. Because Minky is in police custody. There's no way I can get you Minky. I'll make it happen. Kinyaka Minky in exchange for Laruna. Forget about the money. Kinyaka Minky mo. And just know that the clock is ticking and you need to get Minky here. Or else, Wano, Yamusat. Now, Dala is thinking, how am I going to get Minky out of prison? I mean, Mingo Twere. And then now they want to know what's going on. Muto Aring, hey, Mdala na is defeated. He's like, hey, Usharakana, hey. It's a mess. Like, it's a mess indeed, hey. And then, Madlomo's fans, where are you? Because didn't really Xhosa, they're always on each other's throats now. Now they're fighting on this thing. Didn't they confronted Xhosa about how he spoke to Kanye, saying, you can't speak to my child like that. Xhosa felt like, oh, Dintle's too soft on Kanye and says, Kuti, kids need some feminist, man. You can't tell me how to raise my child. Anyway, you know, you promised me a house. So whether promotion or not, I still want that big house. Play like this, and I was just trying to help you, not undermine you. But like this does not feel like normal marriage anymore. Normal marriage. What do you mean normal marriage? Normal marriage you show yippee. Lega peko normal lo the other one. Because God do shatega ning when, Usho yippee ganyati no mega peko. Dintle was like, hey, what did you say? Who are you talking to like that? Now they're screaming at each other. Kanye had to come and say, are you guys fighting? no ba ile ba tsosa bana tle, because go boima like go a imela. Now fleeing is not the same as marriage. And then Matumela is like, no, you're always welcome here. And then she tells them that she wants to get a job and get her own place. But hey, in a supermarket, but they get there Casa, because Casa is now managing the supermarket. Semi days went on retirement. Ari, the only thing he has available is cleaning and picking the shelves. Martha's like, yo, mom says like, no, me not cleaning. But yep. And she's gonna get 1.8 per month, imagine. And then now she's mopping floors, go supermarket yes every day. And Kiriwan is so happy to see her scrubbing floors. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.